Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we have Tricky's daughter who will be preparing cinnamon cupcakes. These cupcakes are absolutely delicious and so easy to prepare and are a great way to get kids into the kitchen and to help with the baking. Kids will enjoy helping to measure the ingredients, cracking the eggs, folding in the batter and dusting the cinnamon sugar over the tops. So let's get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for the cupcake batter. The ingredients for the cinnamon filling or cinnamon sugar. And lastly, the ingredients for the vanilla glaze. Preparation. To prepare the cinnamon filling, add in the white sugar, brown sugar and ground cinnamon to a mixing bowl. Mix well and set aside. And preheat the oven to the temperature shown. Method. We are on the first stage, preparing the cupcake batter. So sift in the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl. That's the all-purpose flour, salt, cinnamon powder, baking soda and baking powder. Set aside for use later. Now add the eggs into a large mixing bowl. Whisk well until light and frothy. Then add in the oil and continue to whisk until well combined. Add in the sugar a little at a time and whisk well until all the sugar has dissolved. Add in the vanilla extract and the Greek yogurt. Whisk until well combined. Now add in the sifted dry ingredients that we had set aside. Fold it in very gently until just combined. Please note, do not overmix the batter. Next, insert paper liners into a cupcake baking tray and spoon 1 tablespoon of batter into each of the cupcake liners. That's the first round. Now sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of the prepared cinnamon filling evenly over the batter. We're now moving on to the second round, so spoon 1 tablespoon of batter over the cinnamon filling. Use a spoon to evenly spread the batter around. And then as before, sprinkle another 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon filling evenly over that batter. We're now moving on to the third round. Spoon 1 tablespoon of batter. Use a skewer to swirl the batter around. And then as before, sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of the cinnamon filling evenly over the batter. Then bake in a preheated oven at the temperature shown for 15 minutes or until golden brown and done. Note, the cupcakes are done when a skewer inserted into the middle of each cupcake comes out clean. Remove from the oven when done and transfer to a wire rack to allow the cupcakes to cool completely. We're now moving to the stage of preparing the vanilla glaze. So sift in the icing sugar into a mixing bowl, add in the vanilla extract and the milk a little at a time, and mix until you achieve the desired consistency. Note, use just the right amount of milk to achieve the desired consistency for the glaze to drip easily. It should not be too thick nor too thin and runny. Now pipe the vanilla glaze over the top of the cupcake and allow it to drip down the sides. There you can see it dripping down. Similarly, repeat the previous step and pipe the vanilla glaze over the tops of the remaining cupcakes, again allowing it to drip down the sides. Once the vanilla glaze has set, finish off by sprinkling cinnamon sugar over the top. And there you have it, absolutely delicious and easy to prepare cinnamon cupcakes. So thank you for stopping by. Give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other baking recipes or cupcake recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the screen right now and watch another video.